everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vanessa, the Craftessa. For today's super easy Christmas DIY, I'm going to take this little sled from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to use 4 of the Christmas ornaments. And I'm going to try to make a sleigh. So let's begin crafting. Okay, so I'm going to take the sleigh and I'm going to give it a few coats of the Rust-Oleum chalk paint in white. So now that the paint is dry, I'm going to put glitter on the sleigh and I'm going to attach the legs to the sleigh. I choose to use these universal tool hooks from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use 2. They have about 5 in the pack. So I'm going to hot glue them to the bottom of the sleigh so it can look like it's the bottom part of the sleigh. So just with a little bit of hot glue, I will be attaching the legs. So now that I attach the legs to the sleigh, I'm going to put white glitter, the very fine, super white glitter to the sleigh itself. I don't want it to look silvery with any type of silver glitter. So with a little bit of Mod Podge, I'm just going to add glitter on the top of the sleigh. So now that I'm done with the sleigh itself, putting glitter on it, I'm going to add silver glitter to the metal legs that I attached to the sleigh itself. I want everything to have that sparkly shine to it. So I'm going to just put a little bit of Mod Podge on the feet of the sleigh and cover them with silver glitter. Now I'm going to let the glitter dry and then I'm going to add one of the Dollar Tree silver snowflake ornaments to the sleigh itself for a little bit of decoration. So I'm going to take this silver ornament from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to hot glue it to the sleigh to give it a little bit of a decoration and a little pop. So with my scissors, I'm just going to cut the little hole in the top with what that is used for hanging on the tree. It's pretty simple to cut with a scissor because it's very thin plastic. So now my sleigh is done. I think it looked pretty cute. Now the finishing touch is I'm just going to add some flowers and display it for Christmas. Hope you enjoyed.